The Maysville Fire Department hopes that you and your family practices fire safety in your home. Did you know that with today's capabilities, you could equip your home with a firefighter 24 hours a day, 7 days a week?
Hot dogs. Oh yeah, man, high score. You smell smoke?
Having a working smoke detector on every level will allow occupants ample time to exit your home in the rare and unfortunate case of a house fire. Some people say that having a working smoke detector in your home is as good as having a firefighter, maybe even better.